Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you the first way to align bobo balloons. I use the simplest 18-inch bobo balloon. So let's get started. I inflate the balloon, and as soon as I see that the balloon is deformed, I completely deflate it. Compress the balloon and release the air from the bobo balloon. Then each time I inflate the bobo balloon a little more and repeat this process again. Inflate the balloon, and as soon as I see that the balloon has deformed, I will completely deflate the air, squeeze the balloon and release the air from the bobo balloon. Each time bobo balloon becomes more symmetrical. Please take a look. The main thing in this method is to completely deflate the bobo balloon every time, not leave any air inside, and inflate it again each time a little more. This method is simple and does not require much physical effort while he definitely has a downside with frequent inflating and deflating of the bobo balloon. Its walls thin out, the bobo balloon loses its strength. Please note that in none of the ways do you need to inflate a bobo balloon larger than its factory size, and so in the end, by alternately inflating and deflating the bobo balloon, you got a perfectly symmetrical balloon. So, the balloon is perfectly symmetrical. You can continue working with it.